Welcome to Sunway University Doctor of Medicine program. Here we offer an exciting and transformative journeys in medical education that prepares all of you as future-ready medical doctors and leaders in healthcare.
Step into our state-of-the-art laboratories,
where you will gain hands-on experience that shape the future of healthcare.
This ND program is unique because it is research intensive.
You will develop critical skills in our clinical skills lab, where practice meets precision, ensuring you're ready for real-world medical scenarios from day one.
During the clinical phase, you'll train at the prestigious Sunway Medical Centre, where you'll receive real-world experience in a cutting-edge medical facility.
We will have a unique and modern curriculum for our medical degree program, including sustainability in medicine and planetary health.
Preparing you to tackle global healthcare challenges with a holistic, forward-thinking approach.
you also receive training in entrepreneurial and communication skills. As part of our community medicine initiative, you engage with the Desa Mentari population, learning to integrate public health and community care into the medical journey.
Our MD curriculum also covers advancements in healthcare and digital technology, focusing on health informatics, the role of AI and data analytics in medicine, and the principle of personalized and precision healthcare.
And don't forget, your time at Sunway University will be enriched by our vibrant campus life.
An exciting and dynamic community that enhances your learning experience.
We are excited to welcome you to the Doctor of Medicine program. Sunway University is where your journey to becoming a medical doctor truly begins.
Now that you had a chance to meet our wonderful team of passionate and professional doctors and professors, join us and be part of a new era of healthcare excellence at Sunway University.
Sunway University at Sunway City, Malaysia. Truly a class above.